Good morning. I am Dr. Ruth Diaz with Point Zero Healing, Acupuncture, and Oriental Medicine. So the acupuncture tip of today are the lungs. And the reason I'm covering the lungs is because right now there's a lot of wind because of the season, the spring, and that causes a lot of inflammation. It causes our immune system to work extra, and you have allergy symptoms. There is a little fever, your body aches. This is all symptoms of your autoimmune system, your immune system working and fighting these pathogens that are out there, and they get transported by wind through your pores. Your lungs are the ones that control the external. It protects us from the external through the pores. So when there is a lot of wind and these pathogens go through the wind, the lungs have to work with the immune system to able to help us not get infected or get sick with these pathogens that are opportunistic and come through the wind. Why I'm telling you this is because it is okay to be a little bit feverish and a little bit of body ache. That's just a signal that your immune system is working properly. So what you can do is help it by boosting it with vitamin C daily, lots of fluids, echinacea, some herbs that are good for the immune system to help it out. The lungs are also very important because the lungs are the ones that moisten our skin. It helps with the fluid in our body. So when we have itchy skin or dry skin, it's because the lungs are probably a little deficient and it doesn't have enough fluid to moisten our skin. I just want you to be aware of that. When there's also edema, like puffy face, or even our legs, or like you feel puffy, like you brought it in your entire body, it's because the lungs are a little deficient and it's retaining water, corporal water. The lungs are also very important when there is sadness, like this. The emotion of the lungs are grief. So this is a very important topic because, believe it or not, you might say, what does the lung have to do with your sadness or depression or Alzheimer's or maniac how do you call it, behaviors or hyperactivity? Well, believe it or not, the lung, it is connected to the lung, and also it's our first breath when we are born, right? So it connects us to source. And when the lung is not working properly, we're not oxygenating our body properly, we tend to clench and not be relaxed, and we're not breathing in normally, and the lungs are not expanding, and your blood is not getting the oxygen it's supposed to. So it affects our mind, it affects our conscious mind, it affects our emotions. If you have a tendency of being constantly frustrated and being angry or alone and sad, there must be a reason with the lungs are not working properly. I'm going to give you a tip, like between these 2 points over here, between these 2 joints over here, there's a bone over here. You can press that point when you have rhinitis, like you're congested in your face a lot, cough, you lose your voice, or you're angry without any reason, you feel frustrated. This point helps calm your lungs and calm your respiratory system, and it helps you be more conscientious and be more calm and have a more calm body. There's a lot to cover with all these meridians. I'm just giving you a small tip in case you having any of these symptoms or these conditions. Don't panic. Everything is normal. Everything has a solution, and it's not permanent. It's just not balanced. When I say that your lungs are not working properly, it doesn't mean that there's something wrong with the lungs. It's just not balanced. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you're having any sadness and frustration, hyperactivity, or you feel like you're tight and you don't want to come out, you don't want to relate to people, you're isolated, call me. I don't want you to miss out on life. You're powerful, and your body has the ability to regenerate and to heal itself. It's just a little bit unbalance that you're having, and you just need a little help to allow your body to go back to harmony. You can call me at 321-231-6585, 321-231-6585. You can call me on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook. You can find me on LinkedIn, Instagram. I am here for you, and I really appreciate you, and thank you. You are powerful. Thank you.